You can restrict access to shows to certain users through Flix's user and group management tools. As an admin user, I'll create 3 different groups called THP, FLX, and All Shows. Now I'll create 3 users: Jane as part of the THP group, Joe as part of the FLX group, and John as part of the All Shows group. And let's now create 2 different shows. First, the Happy Prince, which I want users who are part of the THP and All Shows groups to access. And another show, FLX, which should only be accessible to users from the FLX and All Shows groups. When Jane logs in, she'll only have access to the THP show. Joe will only have access to the FLX show. And John, as part of the All Shows group, has access to both.